Hi there, this is Amza. Today I'm going to show you the exact bug that took down the entire production pipeline I was working on. Our LLM was returning structured data, we were parsing it with regex. It was working fine until one day our model decided to put a price in a slightly different position. User got errors, the damage was done although it was fixed in a few minutes. This whole class of bugs disappears the moment you use Pydantic with LangChain. Today I am going to show you exactly how. Now let me show you the naive approach and exactly where it breaks. In this demo I am using the OpenAI provider. You can use any provider you want, and basically in this I am trying to cover two scenarios doing exactly the same work. The first one is extraction from financial email, and the fields that I am required from the LLM are these which I have instructed here, and this is the code for extracting the LLM output and then making it eligible for our code to process. And there is also a second scenario just like the first one, but in it is extracting from the catalogs and just like the same one. Okay, so the issue here can be like we have instructed here that you are supposed to return a certain price, but it can return like 4200 in a string only, or 4200.99 in float, or 4200.99 USD, like whatever format it wants. So now let's try to run it. So scenario 1 is running and scenario 1 fails. So why it fails? First of all, let's see. Because in it, instead of returning JSON, it returns a certain English form, but this is this isn't what we required, and this is the uncertainty that I was talking about, and Pydantic can solve this. But our second scenario uh, is successfully extracted, so this is the thing that I am talking about. Sometime it will fail, sometime it will run, but this is the uncertainty. You can also try to minimize the temperature to 0, but still the results will be same as there is uncertainty. So this is what I am talking about. Okay, so now let's make it production ready via Pydantic schemas. First of all, import the libraries like base models and list dictionary, etc. After this, remove all of these JSON parsing stuff, as we wouldn't be needing them because the Pydantic schema would take care of them by itself. Okay, perfect. Now we would define the Pydantic schema like this, and this is the same schema that we use for databases or API calls, etc. And remember one thing, like the descriptions here aren't the documentation, these are the part of prompt that LangChain sends to the LLM. So try to be as explanatory here as possible, as I have been here. Okay, after this, after defining the schema, you are also supposed to add the here like with structured and then method, because some of these schema types are rejected by OpenAI provider, so it is better to add this. Now we will run it and you will see that each time it would perfectly run. Okay, as you can see that it successfully ran, and how regardless of how many times I ran it, it will successfully run and give us the exact value that we want. Now let's run again. Okay, perfect. As you can see that it again gave us the same exact value regardless of how many times you run. So this is what Pydantic gave us, and it also reduces our code, and by using Pydantic I can also focus on the logic instead of focusing on how my data would look like. Now running again. Right. Okay, so you can see that again it gives me the correct value. So this is the benefit of using Pydantic over non Pydantic unstructured extraction. Okay, so before closing this videos, two quotas that will bite you. First of all, the Pydantic V2 is different from V1. Most of the online tutorials are for V1, so check your version before. And with structured output, sometimes need function calling, as we did it in the code for the OpenAI one, but not all of the models need that. Okay, so this is all from my side for the today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do subscribe and like, and do let me know if there is anything else you would like to know.